Whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks or fire you desire, but rock maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. It's the birthday edition. You know what I'm saying? Your boy is out here, man. I'm out here getting old and gray, but it's all good, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just increasing in value. You know what I'm saying? My value is going up as the year goes on. Hey, this video is long overdue. I purchased this t-shirt. I think they released on the 2nd of July, so it's the beginning of the month on my father's birthday, coincidentally. So I hit on these. I don't often go for Supreme at all. I probably went for Supreme 4 times in the past 2 years, and that's the only times that I went for it, and I've hit every time. You know, I think I have the Mary J. Blige tee, another t-shirt with a skeleton on it, this t-shirt, and the Supreme Bear that I hit on. So every time that I go for something, I hit on it. Not a big, huge Supreme guy, but anyway. If you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. I'm gonna crack right into this because, like I said, this is 3 weeks past due. Me opening the box, a bag. But I really like this tee from the images. See what all comes in here. We got a sticker pack. We got some like Grateful Dead looking Supreme sticker. Right there. We got some Motion logo. It looked like 2 Motion logo stickers and a traditional box logo sticker. So I'll probably get those away or something. But the main attraction, I'm gonna crack right into this because I don't resell Supreme. I don't even know if I know how. It's not like the sneaker market to me. So the only color that I wanted was this navy tee. Says Supreme, and it's in like this like 3D font. We got the hedge clippers right here and a water pail down there with the lizard poking over like the Supreme is like in bushes. But I like anytime that you get like navy, red, and green all on one sneaker, it looks really cool to me. It looks really clean. This is definitely something that I'll be able to rock with. Just something really simple, like maybe something like this. You know what I'm saying? Sorry about the lighting, y'all. This is a quick video. Like I said, just wanted to. Oh, what's this picture up here? Oh, that's just the Off-White 4s that I hit on today. I don't care about it. If I wanted to open that, I would have opened it 3 weeks ago. Your boy got, you know what I'm saying, the Off-White 4s on the way. Shout out to Jay. She was the one to get exclusive access on her phone. You know what I'm saying? We cutting cake for my birthday. And I'm like, man, check your phone real quick. See if you got exclusive access. She got exclusive, don't even know anything about it. So she checks hers, she has it, put in the you know what I'm saying, spend the bread, they on the way. Your boy got them. So, got them in my size too. So, I don't know what I'm going to do once they touch down. Hopefully Nike doesn't cancel my order, because that's what Nike has been doing recently. They've been shutting orders all the way down. They canceled my Nike Air Max 1 green anniversaries that I was super excited about getting. They shut that down, gave me the cancellation on that. So prayerfully, they send these through. I have no idea, was in such a hurry. Forgot again to hit 2-day shipping for the extra $5. So we'll see if I get them. But as of right now, I got them. So that's what I really wanted to make this video about, man. Shout out to y'all, man. I appreciate each and every one of my new subscribers, man. Shout out to everybody that continues to been watching the videos. If you're new, also comment down below. Let me know that you're new so I can shout you out in upcoming videos. I appreciate all of my subscribers. So yeah, that's what I really, you know, it's my birthday and it's starting off right, man. You know what I'm saying? Got some happy birthday music, got some cake, got some Off-White 4s. We'll see what's for dinner. Ovi!